Up for sale, I got a real 1969 Z28 Camaro X33 car, number matching DZ block, the 302 motor. I've seen the VIN on the block underneath the car. I've gotten under it, I've jacked the car up, I've seen it. Number matching. Many number matching components throughout the car. It's a factory correct Hugger orange, with black interior. It has 20-year-old paint, so there are some flaws on the car. It's a real cowl hood car. Just going to go through. It's a 4-speed with an 8 grand tack. It has its 1969 interior, so it's 50-year-old interior, in pretty decent, pretty good condition. I'll show you. I'm going to go around the car, point out some of the flaws. If you like the video, leave a like on it. If you like it, leave a like. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. I got a lot of cars and I post videos pretty frequently. The car will be for sale later today on my website, NextGenClassicCars.com, or eBay. Both links will be in the description. Here we go. So like I said, 20-year-old paint, some clear coat flaws there, a couple of stone chips, a couple more stone chips, a couple more stone chips. You want to enjoy the car. I have the Protecto plate as well. It's a real straight body. It came from White Allen Chevrolet, I believe, in Pennsylvania. Chrome is nice. A couple of touch-ups right there. A couple more stone chips. Another clear coat peeling. A couple more. It's a real honest Z28 Camaro. Almost all number matching. I believe the only non-number matching components to the car are the the alternator. I don't know. The exhaust manifold, and actually it is the alternator. And then the rim. Someone checked to see if the VIN was stamped on the rim or the proper coating, and it wasn't. That's fine. Couple more touch-ups there. Glass is nice, the trim is nice. X33 car, so it has that upgraded trim package to it. Nice door panel. The carpet is new, I'll say that. Newer carpet, but the seats, the dash, the headliner, door panels, those are original. Console's original. Console is nice. 8 grand tack. Like I said, dash pad is nice, very nice, but it's peeling up here, which is fine. You know, it's 50 years old, so you know, it tends to happen. It's an old car. They have, you know, they have things that happen to them over time. Again, straight body. I believe it's missing the trim down low. So that's the only thing the car is missing. I have a question though. Any of you Z28 people out there? I had a gentleman come out and say that he's looking for 69 Z28 Camaro side pipes. Are those a real thing? You know, comment down below, say yes or no, or are they a real thing? Tell me about them, because I've done a little looking around to see if they are real, and I don't know if they are, and there's not many pictures of them at all. They look like the hooker side pipes or like a Corvette side pipe, but I could not find anything about them being factory, so let me know. It's just interesting thought. Thank you. Chrome is nice, the bumper is really good, the rubber is nice on the back as well. Trunk is very clean, solid, detailed actually, has a almost show quality engine bay. So it's got a lot of nice things to it. It's a pretty credentialed car throughout. Couple more stone chips, couple more stone chips. Again, it happens in 20 years of driving a car. Oh, I didn't clean that. Doors open and close, nice. Nice radial tires with the rally wheels. It has two little tears in the seat here. This one was there before. This one appeared at some point after we had gotten the car. Looks nice though. Headliner is nice. Back seat is nice. Car runs great, shifts great, drives great. Mechanically, the car is very, very nice. Just a couple cosmetic things. Like I said, real Z28 Camaro, real Z28 Camaro. Those are pretty hard to come by, pretty expensive. I'm asking pretty fair on my price, and I'm negotiable as well. So, you know, if you need any questions answered, need any other pictures, let me know. I can do that. I will get back to you. You can contact me through eBay or my website, whichever works best. And I'll show you firing up now, and we can take it around the block, and there you go. Thank you. Like I said, here's the 302, the number matching, DZ block, power brakes, just like it's supposed to be.